Sometimes I feel sad, sometimes I'm feeling lost, and no one is here by my side. Thinking of my future, it will take longer, but you're there, showing the way. You always think what's best for me, and now it's time for me to see. I will change the colors of the sky and paint it on your hair. I will not forget of what you said, it's stored within my brain. You taught me how to love and care for the knowledge that you share, and I think it's true that my learnings are coming from you. And you're my hero.
But without your hard work, you will not be educated. And you know I can't forget you, cause you're always in my mind.
Even if we have struggles, but you show us what is right.
Even if I have some problems, it will always be fine.
You always think what's best for me. And now it's time for me to see. I will change the colors of the sky and paint it on your hair. I will not forget of what you said, stored it in my brain. You taught me how to love and care for the knowledge that you share, and I think it's true that my learnings are coming from you. Change the colors of the sky and paint it on your hair. I will not forget of what you said, stored it in my brain. You taught me how to love and care for the knowledge that you share, and I think it's true that my learnings are coming from
Dear
you.
teacher, thank you for teaching me and making me a good person. Because of that lessons I became successful. Everything you taught is stored in my mind. Thank you sir, thank you ma'am, cause you are so kind. You taught me how to read, you taught me how to write. That's why I owe you everything, cause you are my light. I owe you my profession, cause you taught me all the lessons. You'll never be forgotten, cause you'll always be remembered as my teacher, my beloved teacher that's forever. Thank you for the care, for the sweetness that you share. I know my future will be brighter, cause you are always there, guiding me towards a straight path, cause
You're my teacher.